wabva kuUganda kuzotiudza uchapupu hwake.
Oh, hallelujah.
Haleluya.
Wow. Glory.
Haleluya. Tinotenda Mwari.
Fidena, you are blessed.
Ndichidhina
Sit
uyu
down. See your microphone.
wakaropafadzwa.
Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Haleluya.
Wow. Fidena, congratulations.
Tinomukorokotedza chose.
We saw you on the screen.
Tamuona zvaanga akaita. Ari kutaura achibatsirwa nomuturikiri haasi kunzwa chirungu.
Different. So tell us your story. What happened to you?
Washanduka zvino, regai atiudze zvakaitika kwaari. Anonzi Fida, anobva kuKambala kuUganda.
Mwezi gwokuna bwacha kuncho ng'enkota eri kunsiiwa.
Last year, 2022, in April, I woke up one morning and my
Wakamuka gore rapera muna kubvumbi achivaviwa pahuro.
and I scratched. When I scratched,
Wakapakwenya.
this started swelling.
Apakwenya kudaro pakatanga kuzvimba.
And it kept on swelling,
Pakaramba pachingozvimba zuva rimwe nerimwe.
but the place was not paining.
Asi panga pasingarwadzi zvapo.
And people kept on telling me, go to
Vanhu
hospital.
vakaramba vachimuudza kuti aende kuchipatara.
Nabagamba nti tirumizibwa abasawo n'abakoba ntya.
And I told them, I'm not feeling any pain. So what will I tell the doctors?
Saka akati anga asingarwadziwa, saka wanga asina zvokunoudza vana chiremba.
Ngera okugenda mpaka mu mwezi ogwo. Omwenda n'ajja mu idwaliro.
And it kept on increasing in size. So
enaku daatuuka da Pastor Chris okusabira abantu ku TV.
When the day of the healing streams came,
Kati n'atyama yankuba mbone mbe n'okwikiriza era zeena n'abona n'aba n'okwikiriza.
my sister told me, sit, watch, pay close attention, have faith, and you'll be healed.
N'atyama n'abona era n'ayikiriza nga nja kuwona okusinziira ku bantu be nabonanga abaali nga bansinga ku obulwaire.
I sat down, paid close attention. I watched all the testimonies. And when I saw the testimonies, I knew I was going to be healed.
I like that. I like that. When you saw the testimonies of others, you knew you were going to be healed. Where did you participate from? Was it your home, a healing center, or a church?
Nabonera mu nnumba ya sister wange Seeta.
I watched from my sister's home.
Okay.
Kati najja okubona waabitayo enaku nga 3 ng'ekintu kijja nga kikendeera ate nga kyali kyabiike n'okwabika nga nsiba bwa kitambaala mu nkoto olw'okutya abantu okuneenerera.
When Pastor prayed for me, I discovered that the swelling was now shrinking.
Wow.
After 3 days.
Kati twewuunya ne sister ninze nasooka okukibona nakanti sister idde obona ekintu kiri kukendeera.
So when I realized that the swelling was now shrinking, I called my sister and I told her, come,
after
look.
3 days that the man of God ministered to her. Okay.
So I called my sister and I told her, come and see, the swelling has disappeared.
Wow.
Disappeared, kiri kukendeera.
No, look at, turn your neck. Turn your neck. Turn your neck. Just look at this. Oh, talk to me.